In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make longer delays in Make.com. If you've ever needed your automations to run less frequently so you don't overwhelm a system, hit rate limits, or simply space out tasks, the easiest way to create longer delays is by changing the scenario schedule. We'll walk through how to open your scenario, adjust the schedule to daily, weekly, monthly, or specific dates, and make sure everything is saved and turned on so it runs exactly when you expect. Start by opening the scenario you want to delay. This is the automation whose frequency you want to stretch out. Think of this as telling Make.com when to wake up and execute your workflow. Once you're inside the scenario editor, look toward the bottom of the screen for the scheduling control. It's the area that handles when your scenario runs. Click it to open the schedule settings. Here, you'll choose the schedule type that matches the delay you need. Daily is perfect if you want a once-per-day rhythm, like every morning at a set time. Weekly lets you pick specific days, such as every Monday, which is great for a weekly digest, report, or batch task. Monthly is ideal for end-of-month or first-of-month routines, like invoicing or summaries. And specified dates gives you fine-grained control over exact calendar dates, helpful for one-off campaigns, holidays, or quarterly tasks. Choosing one of these longer interval options is what creates the delay between runs. Next, configure the exact timing. For a daily schedule, set the time of day you want the scenario to run once per day. For a weekly schedule, choose the weekday and the time. For example, every Monday at 9 a.m. For a monthly schedule, pick the day of the month, such as the first day and the time. With specified dates, select the date and time for each run. As you set this, remember that Make.com will wait until the next scheduled occurrence. If you set it for tomorrow morning, it won't run today. It will hold until that next window arrives. When your timing looks right, click Save. This step locks in your scheduling choices so they actually take effect. Finally, turn the scenario on. Enabling the scenario activates the schedule you just configured, and Make.com will now wait until the next scheduled run before executing the automation. That's all you need to create longer delays using the built-in scheduling options. Choose the interval that fits your use case, save it, and enable the scenario. Thanks for watching.